Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60. And today, as usual, I want to do a few things. I want to tell you one of the things I was excited to share with you. There's two things, but I'm just going to share one of them. I hit 2 million views. I couldn't believe it. I could not believe it. And I have, and I just want to thank you all for watching me. I never would have believed it in a million years. So that's a big deal. I enjoyed reading every one of your comments on why you're looking forward to autumn. Most of you are. It's my very favorite season of the year. And when I read all those comments, it just makes me feel so good. There were lots of interesting things that people look forward to in autumn. And of course, I was born in October, and I think it would be my favorite month, even if I was born any other month. But anyway, and this is going to be my 65th birthday. So I'm really excited about that. Today I'm wearing just a Hanes t-shirt, and I cut the neck out of them. But this is my little household tip. One of the things, like when Jim's t-shirts start getting dingy, I cut the necks out, I cut the sleeves, anything with double fabric. And what I do with these is I spray vinegar on it, white vinegar, and I'll just wrap it around my faucets and even, that little area that's underneath it. I'll just saturate it and wait for probably 15 minutes and go back and I clean it all out. So I really like to keep a bunch of these around, and this was from a worn out shirt. But that is really handy, and you just throw it away. I haven't done an empties video in quite some time. I mean, probably 3 years. And I just want to share with you what I've gone through. Will I repurchase? Will I not? I'm just going to go ahead and get started. The first thing I want to talk about is a L'Occitane hand cream. This was sent to me by the company, but I have received it as gifts for quite a few years. And I used all of that up. And what I do, when it's all used up, I put a slit right here, and then I get all of it. And I do that with my Retin-A too. So, I mean, there's nothing left to get. So I am going to pitch this. I used up one secret sauce, and I use this at night only. And it took me 8 months to use it up. Now, this product really has surprised me. This is the It Miracle Water. It surprised me that I loved it, but I started using this. Oh gosh, I'm dropping everything. I started using this, I think, September 14th of last year, and I just use it in the morning, and I still have several uses left. I've already repurchased. In fact, I have 2 of them, and since it lasts as long as it does, I'm going to start using it morning and night, and I use it on a half of a cotton ball, and it is plenty for me. In fact, I leave it moist right through here and here, because that's when I put my argireline, and this is the 20% from Skin Deva. And this is the only brand I've used. I like it. I know it has helped right through here, here, here. And I think it's really even helped my 11s. But I'll let you decide that. But I put that over the It Secret Sauce when it's damp. And I think it penetrates better. So, oh, and I do have a 20% off of Skin Deva, a coupon code for that you can also buy, if you're interested, your DERMA rollers. And I do have a 25% discount on Timeless. So if you use that link, I will earn a little bit of money. And if they have a better deal, you just put in the coupon code. So what I still do, either I use my coupon code or I buy it on Amazon, whichever is the better deal. But when they have I meant to say the 50% off $75. I can go ahead and put that in and get you can go ahead and do that. So anyway, I was really thrilled to have that. But that discount doesn't include derma rollers. So I used up one of these. I'm thinking I get about 8 months out of this because I only use 2 drops, and that's enough for everything. I used up one Benigma. I use this in the morning, and this was a little over 8 months. I used it every day in the summer, but I just use so very little. But I like it because it is kind of a waxy feel, and I put it on the last thing before I use any what I call makeup items. So this lasted 8 months. And I am subscribed, and they send it to me when I want it, not when they think I should be needing it, because I don't need that much of it. This is my vitamin C plus E plus ferulic acid from Timeless. It's my favorite. Well, it's the only one I've ever used, and I keep it in the refrigerator, and I just walk into the kitchen and put it on my face, and by the time I've walked back into my dressing room, it dries, and I always get 4 months use out of this. And I did use the Skin Deva. In fact, I'm still using it. To me, they're identical. So whatever I can get less expensive is what I'll get. So I finished up one of those. I didn't finish this up, but this is the 1mm DERMA roller. And I don't think I need 1mm anywhere. I'm using the 0.75 on my scalp and the 0.50 on this area, and I'm doing my right there and there and my lips. So I'm just pitching this because I can't think of another use for it. I don't know. I can't think of anything. If you guys can think of something, let me know. I will keep the case in case something happens to another case, but I'm going to throw that away. Let's get to something interesting, and I can kind of give you a review. I bought the Ulta Mattifying Balm, and I have that on today. I just have on the matte CC Plus cream, and I have on my eyelids, I have on the CC Plus powder, because I'm going to go someplace later today, and I have on the eyeliner, and I have on my Ruby Slippers lipstick in there, the ones that make your lips not look wrinkled and blurred lines. So I'm going to go back to talk about this. This is the first one I bought, and I consider it finished up. It finally started getting dry, and I probably quit using this about 6 months ago. I have 2 in backup, and they are just fine. But I really do think the Ulta Mattifying Balm, it's $12.50, and sometimes you can get a good deal. Like if you buy one Ulta product, sometimes you can get one free, get one half price. And this cost $40. Now, if Ulta, they're going to be having a special every day, and just look that up. I think it starts September 2nd, but if you go to Ulta.com, you should be able to see at some point what's going to be on sale. If this is on sale for $20, this is a much better deal because you get twice as much product. And it is, I don't use as much of this, but if you haven't ever tried using something over your foundation to get more of a mattified look, you might want to start with the Ulta. But it is harder to get the product out. It just glides over this. But I wanted to let you know that because I told you I'd let you know. I want to talk about 2 products that were sent to me from By Terry. I love By Terry products. I think they're fabulous. But they are no longer cruelty-free, and I won't buy makeup that's not cruelty-free. They had what I just consider a genius mascara. I didn't actually like the mascara as well as I like the Superhero from It Cosmetics, but it was really a good mascara, and I used it up. But what I did is, this is what I think is just the magic of the mascara, and it's a clickable wand. But it goes down, and then it goes up. So that's pretty cool. So I kept this because you'd be surprised how many other mascaras this will work on. I haven't tried it in the Superhero, but also I like to have a brush just to kind of comb through my lashes, and this is a good one after I've applied my mascara. I used up the By Terry Balm de Rose. It is lovely. It has a beautiful, strong scent of rose, and if you like rose, you will like this, but I won't be repurchasing it. Used up one of my mascaras, the It Superhero. I'm on auto delivery, and I think it cost me about $15 for each tube because you get 2 tubes at a real good price. It Cosmetics has so many different products that are named je ne sais quoi. Well, this was their very first lip treatment, and I liked it, and I used it up. I didn't love it, but I liked it enough that I wanted to use it up. And what I did, I just took everything out of it, and I put it in a little pot, and it's gone, and this is going to be thrown away. This is the Kakai Naturals Kakai Oil. I only use this on my neck. I use 2 drops, and I really think this lasts me a year. I do. Every other night. One night I use Retin-A, one night I use this, and I think it's very, very good. I just go right down here, I go up, and I take it to my collarbones. One of these days I'll start doing it on my chest, but so far so good on my chest. And I do have a 40% off discount code for this that's supposed to stay permanent, and also for the hair elixir, but I haven't used that one up yet. And last, I've used up one Purity Made Simple. This lasts me a long time. It's very concentrated. I know it doesn't get good reviews on Paula's Choice or Beautypedia, but I have used this along with Dove soap on occasion for almost 20 years, and it's the only cleanser, and I've tried many, that I feel very, very comfortable using, and my skin feels good after I'm using it. I still have some backups, and it didn't work for a friend of mine, and she sent me some. And then I got some from Trader Joe's that I also like. So I probably won't be buying any cleansers for a long time, because I have tried some and I didn't like them. There were a lot of other things I used up. I just forgot to save them, and just thought I'd share these with you today. I hope you have a great day. It is all good, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. And it will, I don't know if you'll be able to see, I don't even have the light on during this.